Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Claire. So it's very obvious na ang video natin for today is makeup-inspired look by Miss Ariana Grande on the latest single, Rain on Me. So without further ado, kung gusto mo malaman kung paano ko na-achieve tong look na to, let's start this video! Let's start with applying some moisturizer first. And then add some primer. And then let's go with the foundation. And then, let's put some concealer. And then, blend them all together. And then, let's put some contour. After contour, kilay. Eyeliner. I always wanted to do my eyeliner by starting on the outermost part of my eyelid and slowly bringing and building them in together by just following the natural shape of my eyes. Since Ariana Grande have this long winged eyeliner, I just want to make a line first just to make sure that I do the same length on the other side of my eyes. And then for the wings of the eyeliner, I will start on the most tip of the winged eyeliner and then draw a diagonal line downwards just to connect them together, and then fill on the other blanks of the eyeliner. And then for the white eyeliner part, wala akong ibang other products for the white eyeliner. So ita-try ko if mag-work out yung white eyeliner pencil. So let's see. I'll try my best to do this. So start siya here. To do the white eyeliner makeup, I will start it by doing a mark on my eyelids or on my crease or where I wanted it to be placed, so that later it will be easier for me to trace them all together to form the line that I wanted. And then slowly bring down the white eyeliner down with your winged eyeliner as a guide, and then later on you will just connect it with your lower lash line. And then slowly I will just trace all the mark that I did earlier so that we can achieve the shape and form that we like. Then bring them here. Mm-hmm. That's it for the first eye. I will be finishing my second eye off cam, so I'll be right back. And then on the other side. And then let's put some glitters. Some black eyeliner. And then mascara. But I will not be putting any mascara on my lower eyelashes because I think it will ruin the effect of the white eyeliner. And then after that, I will just put some blush on. And for my lipstick, I will be using VS. And to finish this look, I will just put a pink glossy lipstick, and that's it. We're done.